Hi everyone, today I've brought you this cassette tape recorder. It is Panasonic. Okay, it is Rx MX50m2. I bought in this very condition. I think it fell down from its owner. That's why I decided to sell it. Or probably there's something else I don't actually know. Anyway, will just try to fix it and see what was wrong. Of course, we can't plug it in the power protection bulb because the socket is broken. Yes, the socket is here, it is broken, and everything is broken inside. Anyway, we'll try to fix it as much as we can. I'll start by removing this cassette piece because I'm afraid the power board is down there, is underneath. Okay, I'll take it out so that everything becomes clear to me. If possible, I'll try to replace this back cover, but I don't know whether I have one or not. Before doing anything, I'll take a snapshot of all these wirings. I've plugged it already in the power protection bulb, but I'm afraid it is completely dead. So initially there's a power problem. This might because of this converter. I'll check it. The transformer might be faulty. Okay, anyway, I'll check one by one. First, the converter. Well, I rolled out the converter because I removed the wires and connected them directly to the power source, but I'm afraid it is still as dead as ever. We have also to roll out the transformer. That's why we are going to check the output of the transformer. If there is no output out of the transformer, this means that the transformer is gone. Here we go. I took the whole board out so that I can work freely. And now I'll disconnect the output wires from the board and test them alone away from the board and see whether there is output coming out of the transformer or not. There's nothing coming out of the transformer, meaning that it is gone. Of course, we have to adjust our avometer to the AC, not to the DC. There might be another problem with the diodes. Okay, so that's why I'm going to test the board itself and check whether their sound will come out or not. I'm going to connect a mobile charger to the main condenser. Okay, the negative to the negative and the positive to the positive, and we'll see whether there will be sound coming out or not. Okay. This is a 2 amperes mobile charger. Many people asked me before about the voltage of this mobile charger. As you know that in a mobile charger is 5 volts. 5 volt DC, 2 amperes. Okay. This is the main condenser. As you can see, I'm going to connect the negative to the negative and the positive to the positive. The brown here is the negative and the blue is the positive. So this is the negative of the main condenser and the other side is the positive. The charger is not yet connected to the mains. This is the negative. I have to be absolutely sure. لازم أكون. Okay. And this is the positive. I can put it here. أنا حطيت هنا. Okay. Now we'll try it and check whether there will be sound coming out or not. دلوقتي هجرب الروش. Yes, as you can see, it is working. Here it is. So صوت. طيب نحط. Okay, there's something wrong. Let's stop it. There's a problem with the cassette recorder, but the radio is working alright. So I shifted to the radio, it is working alright. So now I have to decide about the voltage of this transformer. Okay, there's nothing written on it. We know that this cassette tape recorder works with 4 batteries, 4 by 1.5 volts, so it is 6 volts. So we can replace this transformer with a 6-volt transformer. Okay, I found an old transformer, but it's working. Okay, now I want to tell you how to differentiate the input from the output. So you adjust your oximeter to the buzzer and you test. This is the output. When you hear the buzzing sound, this means this is the input. No buzzing sound. That's all. I have to connect this transformer to the diode. I know that I connected the charger directly with the condenser, and the output of the charger is DC, but the output of the transformer is AC, so we cannot connect it directly to the condenser. We have to connect it to the diodes. Now let's do it. I removed the charger already, and I'm going to connect to the diodes. Now let's plug it in and see. As you can see, it is working all right. Now we'll put it back. You see, the seat is broken here. That's why I'm going to use epoxy steel. Okay. This is epoxy steel. I'm going to use it. This is the epoxy and this is the hardener. This is clear, transparent. I'll use the same quantity of the hardener. Then I mix it very well. شايفين. Now I'll finish with the power source seat, and it is better to leave a power cable, okay, fixed it all the time, because now it is weak, it can break any time, so better to leave it as it is. I've finished with the power problem, and now we'll come to the cassette problem. You see, this is the problem. It ejects. You see, we'll have to take it apart, see what's wrong with it. We'll have to remove the motor and the rondella to see what is wrong. Well, the problem is with this latch. Here it is. Okay. And it happened that a wire is cut. It is no problem because we took a snapshot of the whole board with all the wiring before doing anything. So no problem, we can put it back as it was without any problem and without any wasting of time. And this is the importance of taking a snapshot of all the wiring before going through anything. And now I'll remove this washer so that I can take out the rondella. The problem is here. It's supposed to be here. You have to be very careful with it. I'll do it with the pincers because I don't want it to fly. Okay, here we go. Oh, it flew. Okay. Let's do it again. Okay. Let's try it without a spring. Okay, I'll try to do it without a spring. This is auto stop mechanism. This cassette tape recorder has dual auto stop mechanism. Okay, so I can expense with one because there is a factory fault with this one. So I'll remove it and I'll depend on the other one, the other mechanism, which is this one. Okay. بالنسبة Yes. certain. الوردة بتاعتنا ما عادش فيها. نرجع. I'll put back this small washer as it was. That's all. I'll put back the motor. Okay. Install the other wire and mount the other wire. هركب ال DLC. As simple as that. وديت تسخن. استنى شوية مع الماء. That's all. دي يا جماعة بتاعت I'll thread the cassette tape first. This belongs to the batteries. Okay, it is cut. It's been cut from here, but I'll thread this one first. Then after that, I'll reconnect this wire. Here it is. It is working without stopping. طيب ده الراديو اهو. The sound is very low. The sound of the cassette tape is very low. That's because might be because of the volume control or this switch. Anyway, I'll just inject this switch with kerosene and see, and this with WD-40. The distortion of sound can also arise from malfunction of this spring. Okay, so I'm going to inject it with kerosene and see what will become of it. Okay. Now press the play button and then plug it in. So it was the spring. The problem was with the spring. Okay, we injected the switches with kerosene because this problem can arise also because of accumulation of carbon dioxide on the switches. So that's why we injected them with kerosene. When it didn't work, we injected this spring with kerosene, and now it is working all right. The problem is over, and now it is time to end our video. But before ending our video, I'll just try to put it back and try it for the last time. Wait with me. There's only one screw, so I'll try to find the other screws. This is one. Those don't fit. I'll try to find more. This one, but this one is shorter. I'll try to find a screw, then come back to you. I fixed this seat, screw seat, with epoxy steel because it is broken. There's something broken here also. I don't know whether this is the one. I don't think so. I don't think so. Anyway, let's do one by one. I'll fix this one first with epoxy steel. Okay. Now it has been fixed. We are going to restore it to what it was before. So we are going to spray this metal part. Before spraying, you have to remove any rust with sandpaper. Okay. Now time to spray it. Okay. When I finish, I'll show you what it will look like. And now let's listen to what it sounds like.
كان زمان يعذب. حبوا لأبوه كان يجب أن يلتمسوا سبب الأحبية دي. دول هم الصغار، أمهم ماتت، ما بقاش لهم
بالمزيد من التقدم والازدهار. كما هنا دكتور مصطفى مدبولي رئيس الوزراء قداسة البابا تودرس الثاني بابا الإسكندرية وبطريرك الكرازة المرقسية بمناسبة الاحتفال بعيد الميلاد.
ويودعها في القلوب حتى الحيوانات. خلي الحيوان يولد وما دام وليده في حاجة له علشان رعايته يعذب، يروح مثلا يقعد شهر ولا شهرين مدة الشتاء ديت عشان ايه الحتة دي بتجيب سمك، يقعد فيها شهر شهرين ثلاثة يبيع للتاجر ويجي يروح لأبوه ولا لوالدته مع الايه حصيلة آخر الايه العذاب ده. آخر العذاب.
اسمي طالع ده يتدرس دق ودق وسلم وبقيت متسستمة طب راح في لساني
ضروري كده. ولذلك يقول لك الحب ده مسألة عاطفية،
لا تقنين لها ولا تكليف بها، ولذلك القرآن حينما يتعرض لها يقول إياكم إن كنتوا تقولوا الحب والبغض مش عارف، أحبب من شئت لأن ده انفعال طبيعي، ابغض من شئت.
And now let's listen to the cassette tape. I'm afraid I want to be able to play long and not to violate the copyrights of YouTube. And this was the end of our video. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, share and like. See you in a new video. Bye for now.